Hi guys, it's Kathy with Create with Kate. I hope you're all having a wonderful Thanksgiving Day. It's kind of quiet here, but I guess it's a sign of the times for now. Anyway, today I wanted to come by and give you a look at one of the 4 journals that I was commissioned to make. This one is on Henry VIII, and it measures 8 by 6. It's got about a 2¼ inch spine on it. This is upholstery fabric. This is some faux suede. And I had some gold trim I put on there. This is a bit of ribbon. It was crinkly ribbon with the gold edging, and so I put that underneath these layered card with a picture of King Henry VIII on the front. I have chosen to close these with a clip and chain, and they all have dangles on them. So let's take a look inside and see what we got here. Let me just check and make sure I got the whole thing. Okay, there we go, good. All right, so on the inside, I have a corner tuck here, and these are pictures of King Henry's gold crown coin that he made and was minted between 1544 and 1547. And in there is a journaling card. In the beginning of each of these 4 journals that I've made, I decided to put file folders in the front. So this is the first one. This is King Henry VIII right there. I have typed up information on Henry VIII and printed it out on some coffee dyed paper. And so there's some extra reading in there for the owner of this journal. Over on this side, I just have some things I've got. This is the Palace of Whitehall. This is the Royal Palace at Placentia. I don't know if that's how you say it or not, but there's a picture of that. I have a picture of King Henry meeting King Francis I of France at the Field of Cloth of Gold. And this was from 1520. That's when that happened. Just got a world map here. And this is information on all of his children. This little clip here I got at a scrap store that we have. They had them there for 5 cents for a handful. So I got some of those, and I thought they would be really cute as like little paper clips. And they are. It's a little deep, but I think it looks really cute. So let's get this stuff back in here. And we'll move on. Here's our first signature. I've got a ticket here with a number 1 on it, and I have a little gold crown on there for him. Here's Henry and 3 of his wives on the front. Got coffee dyed paper, and I've stenciled a lot in here as well. Got a pocket with 2 tags. This is a piece of poetry paper. Music paper with a little tuck with one of his wives in there. And let's see, does that say, yes, beheaded. So all the little cards that have the wives on it tells what their final fate was. I did some little paper flowers here and a little lace underneath there too. Did some more stenciling there. Got up here is just one of the little false envelope fold outs that I do. And it's just extra journaling space there. And that just tucks in there. And right back up there, we've got some shorthand paper out of a book with some stenciling. Coffee dyed paper, just got a ticket over there. This is from a wildflower book here. This is an herb book. Some more coffee dyed paper, another pocket with a large tag. And coffee dyed, the rest of the shorthand page. It was fun. There's little notes on a lot of the pages to look at, so I tried to pick one with those on there. A little more stenciling, a little collage there. Poetry paper, another pocket with tags, and a little stenciling on the back side of that signature, and the other 3 wives on the back. Here we are in signature number 2. Have a little gold key. And again, more stenciling. Nice big pocket with a big tag. More coffee dyed paper. Pocket with a journaling card or the shorthand. Here we have some music paper. This is an envelope. It just has a piece of coffee dyed paper in there for writing. Got some more stenciling here. Got more of that wildflower book, and this I just folded up and stuck together and made a little pocket on the side for that. More stenciling, more of the herb book. Another postcard pocket with a postcard journaling card in there. The rest of the wildflower, I left this as a flip so you can read what these are. A little more collage there. A little more collage there. This is an envelope with a postcard inside that you can journal on. And the back side of that, shorthand paper there. So a little clip right there. A little more stenciling, poetry page, postcard with a tag. And here's Jane Seymour, who died. Here we have the Hever Castle, and it's our third signature. We've got another little crown on the bottom. More stenciling, big pocket. And this is a tag with a list of all his wives on them. Pocket with a journaling card and a tag. This is just a little gold doily that I glued onto some card to make it sturdier. And in here we have got an envelope with a couple of journaling cards on there. Shorthand paper, more stenciling, some more of that wildflower book there. Coffee dyed paper, more of that herbal book. Have a large tag tuck on the side. Jane Seymour died. And the wildflower paper. Another pocket here with a journaling card. Some more of this shorthand paper, a pocket with another journaling card. It's got 3 of the wives on there. Some more stenciling. Another book page. That poetry paper. And the end. Here's Anne Boleyn, who was beheaded. And of course I got my little library cards. I'm trying to get this out because I had the name of the owner on there. But I always have my name as the author, the title of the journal, and the date it was finished. And that just goes right in there and closes up. And there is King Henry VIII. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.